Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessica and today I'm taking you on a walking tour of the beautiful Calpe Beach in Alicante, Spain. Come join me as I show you all the charm this beach has to offer. Before we start, make sure to like and comment the video if you enjoy the tour. This beach is like no other, covered with pristine white buildings and stunning views of the ocean blue. From the lighthouse to the stunning promenade, every corner of Calpe Beach has something unique to offer. As you walk around, you can look up and see the incredible scenery in all directions. The castle is something to behold. It stands tall against the changing sea and the rocky cliffs, and visiting in person gives you the chance to learn more about its rich history. The local food is delicious, to just ask the friendly folks at the beach to point you in the right direction. The goldens and invites the sunlight at sunset, creating a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're here to relax on the beach or explore some of the many water activities, Calpe Beach has something for everyone, both inland and along the coast. And of course, you can't leave without soaking up some of the local culture. Take a stroll through the bustling streets or stop off for a traditional Spanish dinner. You won't regret it. I hope this tour has given you an idea of all the wonderful experiences you'll have if you come to visit Calpe Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more walking tours of amazing destinations. Thanks for spending time with me today. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!